Hey y'all, I'm Kristy Weeks with Sacred Self Hypnotherapy and Coaching. I'm going to be speaking at the NGH annual conference in August, and I wanted to pop in and talk a bit about what I was going to be speaking about. I'm speaking twice, once about increasing resilience, as well as reframing self-sabotage behaviors as a trauma response seeking safety, and something inside me learned to survive. That distinction sits at the heart of my very first workshop, Sabotage to Safety. Together, we'll explore how so-called maladaptive behaviors are so often intelligent safety strategies created by the unconscious mind. Not evidence of brokenness, evidence of adaptation. And hypnosis becomes so incredibly powerful here because it allows us to communicate directly with the protective systems beneath conscious behavior. Not by forcing change, not by empowering resistance, but by creating enough internal safety for transformation to emerge naturally. We're going to be exploring language patterns, metaphor, doing some demos and experiential exercises designed to help clients stop warring within themselves and begin collaborating with themselves. Something else becomes possible. Resilience. Not the performative kind. Not pushing through at all costs. Not pretending that everything is fine, but true resilience, the kind that allows a human being to bend without breaking, to experience difficulty without becoming defined by it, to move through pain and still remain connected to themselves. And that leads beautifully into the second workshop, growing through what we go through, building resilience. Because life will challenge every one of us eventually. Loss, change, uncertainty, burnout, heartbreak, fear, all the things that make us human. And the question is not whether adversity will happen. The question is what happens inside of us when it does. Hypnosis offers us remarkable tools for helping clients regulate emotionally, connect with inner resources, and reinterpret difficult experiences in ways that foster growth rather than helplessness. In this workshop, we're going to explore how hypnotic states can help clients access calm in the middle of uncertainty, strengthen emotional adaptability, and begin transforming setbacks into meaningful turning points. We'll work with guided imagery, hypnotic reframing, positive suggestions, and resilience-focused interventions grounded in both neuroscience and compassion. Thank you all so much. I'm incredibly excited to share these experiences with you, and I look forward to exploring this work together.